Hey everyone, welcome back. Is the Bank of America app crashing every time you try to deposit a check using your camera, either right when you take a photo or right after? This specific crash has a fix, and here it is. First, go to your phone's iPhone settings and then scroll down, go to apps and find Bank of America, and then make sure camera is set to allow. If it says ask or never, tap it and change it to allow. Without camera permission, the app crashes the moment you try to capture the check. After fixing camera permissions, go back and also make sure you're in a well lit area when photographing the check. Bad lighting causes the app to time out and crash. Flatten the check on a dark surface before taking the photo. The contrast helps the app read it. If it still crashes after all of these, delete the app completely. Long press on your app icon, remove app, delete app, and delete the app. Once deleted, go to the App Store and then search for Bank of America and reinstall it fresh from the App Store. Check the deposit function. The check deposit function sometimes get corrupted by a bad update. So all you've got to do is check camera's permissions for BOA in settings, good lighting and flash surface for the check, and reinstall it needed. Check deposits will work now. Subscribe for more BOA fixes.